right, finally have time to review this rooftop tent that I got, and I've had it, probably taken it out about 10 times or so. I love this thing. It's quite the deal. Of course, I was looking at a few different options, one of which was like the iCamp or SkyCamp Mini, and the Roof Space, and a couple others. This one is a bit bigger. You can kind of tell it's not the, bigger than the Mini. It's probably like maybe just flush, maybe over like a ½ inch, and I have it spaced comfortably so it doesn't hit this. Where's my pointing? The spoiler here. But it actually has a bigger like sleeping platform. So my 3-year-old and I have plenty of room in here. But I'll go ahead and crack it open and show you some of the features about it. So let's get it set up.
Before we get into the walk around, I threw this together as a quick comparison of the top tents I was considering. Yes, the Naturnest is the heaviest here, but it's also the largest, most well-featured, including the hinge mechanism that gives you more interior space, and it comes with both shoe bags. Also, if you're a Rivian owner, the Rivian crossbars have a dynamic load rating of 250 pounds, so this tent is well under that limit. All right, back to the desert.
So it's got these seatbelt kind of clamps. They're really high quality. I will say too that like it gives you a little bit of extra, space in here. So if you do want to stuff some of your sleeping bags, blankets, or whatnot inside, you definitely can do so. And then it's got this, one of these Anderson power. It's kind of funny they use this massive, like I think it's a 50 amp size, but it allows you to run power. So I just have some DC running from my EcoFlow in the bed, and it's got a little hub inside. I'll show you in a hot minute. That's super nice, and of course interior lighting. There. So that wasn't the most elegant, but you can see it was user error. All right, so you can see this thing, it sets up super easily. Got this little, it's got exterior lighting here that honestly, I wish it was like underneath this because it just blinds you in your face if you have that thing turned on. It comes with a little USB cable that you just stick in the doors here. So inside, there is this little power section here. So again, it runs power from inside, or down below, I should say. It comes with, I'm trying to do this with the wrong hand here. A bunch of, this one comes with it. So there's 2 USB-A's and then 2 open 12 volts car sockets. So I just dropped this one with a USB-C in there, but it's super nice. So I can run my carbon monoxide if I got my diesel heater going. I just have that, plugged in all night, so I don't worry about its battery and dying on me. And everything else, of course, phones and whatnot, but pretty slick. And it's got an insulated padded cover here. I'll turn this on later at night, but there's lighting that goes all around. You can do it white and warm white, I should say. Now, what else we got? It's got condensation mat underneath, which is very nice. It's a high quality, thick one. The mattress is actually I'm a side sleeper. It's probably, you call that 2 inches, and it's actually very comfortable, so I'm pretty pleased with that. And this thing, I'll insert another clip that I've already done, but it is absolutely blackout, this material, and it's a ripstop, so you can kind of tell. See on the outside here, it's a ripstop pattern. 2 legit shoe bags, and then on the outside, the optional, I don't know, what do you want to call these? The rainfly things. These ones are built in. They fold up, no problem. And then this one, you can just stab in here, super easy. Even without doing that, it doesn't really make any kind of flapping sounds and all that. And yeah, the hinge mechanism and all that's been great. I love that you get this extra headroom and an extra window here. It's super great for extra wind flow. Sometimes I'll actually run my diesel heater port right through here because you can zip down the screens, all the screens. But yeah, I'm very pleased with it. So I'd recommend. This thing is, you can grab it just like around $2,000. Sometimes I've seen it on sale for even cheaper on Amazon. And I mean, what's up, buddy? To do that in comparison to like spending $4.5 grand on an iCamper, which is smaller with less, without the lighting and power and all that, like, to me, no brainer. I should mention, in addition to these windows, there's also a skylight, and you can black it out or do screens. And then if you don't want to use the actual kind of rain fly on there, it can be completely open, but that's just the strap to help hold the tent closed. But awesome, another bonus.
All right. Currently moving the camera all around the tent. You can't really tell. But it is absolutely daylight outside. This thing blacks out. Amazing. King of the hammers, baby.
I should mention that this is not a sponsored video. I actually grabbed mine off of Amazon after tons of research, and I put the link in the description below if you're interested. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll do my best to get back to you. All right, see you all next time.